Hello mga kabahay! Isang mapagpalang araw sa ating lahat, and today we are here in Habila Philinvest to show you our two-story modern and eclectic design house. And for your information, Habila is located into three parts of Rizal, which are Angono, Antipolo, and Taytay. And to be specific, we are here in Antipolo part of Habila Philinvest. So let's start our house tour, but before po tayo magsimula, I would like to share you a verse from the Bible. From the book of John chapter 3 verse 16, it says that, "For God so loved the world that He gave you His only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth on Him should not perish, but have everlasting life." So kabahay, lagi mo tatandaan, God loves you. So let's start our house tour. So let's begin here at the front of the house, where you can see its elegant and beautiful facade. So, punta tayo sa area na to. So, this is your one covered parking. And as you can see, naka-tiles na din siya. And of course, ang ganda ng ceiling niya. And kung dalawa naman po yung sakyan nyo, you can park outside of the property. So, punta tayo sa side na to. So it will lead us going sa ating pinaka-laundry area or pinaka-dirty kitchen. And yung pinaka-property line po niya, ito po siya. Turo ko po. Ayan, bali itong wall na to, ito yung pinaka-property line niya hanggang doon. So meron pa kayong pinaka-maliit na pwedeng gawing pocket garden dito. So, check naman po natin yung kabilang side ng property. Here you have also small area para sa gardening din po, or kung ano po yung prepared nyong gawin sa area na to. And this way is going through our backyard or pinaka-lanay natin, which is may access din going sa kitchen and dining area natin. So, I assume na yung pinaka-property line din natin dito is almost the same with the other side of the house. So, more or less siguro mga hanggang dito yung sakop ng lote natin. Yung pinaka-lot area natin. Siguro mga hanggang dito. So, ayan. Covered din yung ating lanay, which is ayan yung balcony nung isang room. Later makikita natin. So, pasok tayo sa loob. Punta tayo dun sa ating main door. By the way, papansin din natin, itong side na to, napaka-elegante niya, that makes the property looks more elegant. And this wall, actually sa personal napakaganda niya. This is inspired by Western building design. So, hindi lang siya basta matibay, napaka-elegante niya. So, let's go. Pasok tayo sa loob. Upon entering our main door, we will be welcomed by our living area, and as you can see, spacious naman po siya. And covered na rin siya ng glass window, naka-grills na rin. And of course, may provision na rin for the curtain. And here is our dining area, and I think kasya ang mga 6-seaters table sa ating dining area. And ito yung tinuturo ko kanina sa labas. So ito yung access natin going dun sa backyard, and may small lanay tayo, and may screen na rin siya. So pag gusto nyong buksan yung sliding door, pwede nyong isara yung screen para at least pumapasok yung hangin galing sa labas. At the same time, hindi pumapasok yung mga insects. So, and here is our kitchen with built-in cabinets na din, and of course sink, and ito yung provision natin para sa rep. And this door is our maid's room or elder's room kung wala kayong maid at may kasama po kayong matanda. So meron na rin siya window, glass window, and of course cabinet. Then, by the way, itong pintuan na to, kung napansin nyo, ito is going sa pinaka dirty kitchen, and of course, papunta dun sa ating parking area kanina. And here meron tayong powder room, mga ilang steps ba yan? Mga 4 papunta sa ating powder area. Actually, may shower na din siya. So, hindi lang siya basta powder area. May shower na din siya. And may small space dito for the stock room. So, we're done to our ground floor. Let's go sa ating second floor. Meron din pala tayo ditong huge glass window that allows sunlight pass through inside. And look at the geometric stylish lamp. Ang ganda niya. So we're here at the second floor, and on this floor we have 3 rooms. Unahin na natin ang ating bedroom number 1. Ayan. This is our bedroom number 1 with built-in cabinet, and meron na rin siyang glass window for the natural light and proper ventilation. So check natin ang ating bedroom number 2. So this is the bedroom number 2, covered by the glass window, and naka grills na rin and screen. And of course, hindi mawawala ang kanyang built-in cabinet and provision for the dresser. Then, it has a balcony. Masarap dito pag magkukwentuhan or yung mga may hilig magkape. So, ang ganda niya kasi ang sarap ng ng simoy ng hangin dito. Ramdam na ramdam mo. So, naka-sliding door na rin siya with screen. Ayan. So, bali yung 2 rooms, wala silang kanya-kanyang CR. Ito yung kanilang common bath. Ayan, parang ilaw. Ayan. So, let's go sa ating last room, which is ang ating master bedroom. And of course, ang ating master's bedroom, meron na rin sariling cabinet and study table, and here meron na rin siyang provision for the window type of aircon and sliding window for the natural light, and naka-grills na rin siya and screen. So sa master's bedroom, di mawawala ang kanyang sariling CR, of course. Then surrounded na rin siya ng tiles. Ayan. So, now check naman natin ang ating balcony. sa second floor. So, here we are sa ating balcony, and as you can see, spacious din naman po siya. And you can use this as your indoor, for your indoor activity. Or pwede rin gamitin pag gusto nyo magkape or anything, kung ano man po yung mas preferred nyo. And here, tanaw mo dito yung garden mo sa first floor. And on this side, tanaw mo yung iyong pinaka-dirty kitchen. Kagandaan dito, may mga puno kasi na nakapaligid. So, ramdam mo yung ano yung sarap ng simoy ng hangin. So, pasok tayo sa loob. Finally mga kabahay, we're done to our house tour today. And kung nagustuhan niyo po ang aming video, please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for you to get updated whenever we release new property video. And for those who are looking naman po ng property, and if you're interested with this particular unit, please don't hesitate to contact us. Call us at 095627655152, or you may message us through our official FB page at Realty Del Moreno. Once again, this is Odelio Moreno from Homescape Realty, your property assistant. Your dream home, let's turn it into reality. Stay safe. God bless po.